Hello everybody and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. I love to do DIY, decor, style, recipe, home, everything in a budget, and if you love such content, do subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button given below or the icon in the bottom right corner, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post a video. Today me and Murray from Murray's DIY are here together to welcome you all to Useful DIY Challenge July 2019. Murray is a wonderful DIYer and I have put link to her channel in the description box below. Do visit her channel and show your love. The theme for this month's Useful DIY Challenge, which is a monthly challenge that I host every month with a new co-host every month, is recycled glass. So I asked everybody to take a glass item, recycle it, repurpose it using any kind of DIY skill and show what you have made. So I've also created a playlist and the description box contains the link to the playlist. It's an auto playlist and will pick your video if you have adhered to the rules of the challenge. If there is any problem, you can always add to the playlist by clicking the link below, and also watch the playlist, other videos, other DIY ideas through the playlist that is given in the description box below. If there is any problem, make some noise, contact me either through the comment section or email me and I'll add your video to the playlist. I want to thank all the creators who have joined us today in the Useful DIY Challenge July 2019. I also want to thank all the subscribers who visit our videos and all the visitors who are coming to these videos for the first time. Don't forget to watch all the videos in the playlist. They are awesome DIY ideas using glass, and show your love and support us and help us make more such DIY ideas. So let's jump in. I want to share this with you. This is very exciting for me. When I was looking for what shall I work on as far as glass is concerned, I found this package, and I have no shame in sharing this secret of mine with you, that I am a hoarder when it comes to items. Where I find they have a potential to become something, I keep them. This is very old. In one of the windstorms long time back, one of my neighbors who lived in the flat above us, their window fell down and the glass shattered in our yard. I picked up the big piece and cut it into 6 squares, thinking I might make coasters out of them. This is very old, very old. Yellow newspaper. Oh, see, the young Rahul Dravid, the cricketer of Indian cricket team. That long back. Yes, there is a date. See, it reads the Tribune, Chandigarh, Monday, January 10, 2005. God, this is so old. And all this while, this had been in my stash that I would someday work with it. It's so exciting. And I have even labeled them. See, I've labeled the size. It's 4.05 by 4.05. It's almost 4 by 4 inches square, each of them 6 squares. I wanted to make coasters out of them. And when I issued this challenge, I was like, either I use this or I throw this. So I better use this. So I'm going to maybe keep that newspaper. I'm going to clean these glasses and be back. While the glass is getting dry, I just print it out on a regular A4 size paper. You can do it on a tissue paper if you can. I just picked some family pictures and went to I use Chimp. You can use any Photoshop or any such program, and I placed them on an A4 size paper, gave them an antique look and an edge like that of an old photograph, a sepia tone, and have it printed out. Next, I'm going to carefully cut them out individually so that they also make 4 by 4 inches squares. Now that the glass is clean, I'll just take some white acrylic color on a brush, or you can take a sponge for it. I'm comfortable with the brush. I'll just add some white onto the edges, again roughly, so that, as you see, it's a rough edge. I'll make it rougher. You can hear the rain outside, the pitter patter of the rain and the wind. Uh, and here I'm adding diluted Mod Podge on the front of the paper. On the picture directly is itself. The paper, you can see it's, because I'm using diluted, it's stretching already. And now go ahead and carefully stick it. Make sure there are no bubbles and it's neatly pasted. I filled a penny gap that was left with more of white acrylic paint. Once dried, I just added a generous coat of Mod Podge. You can add more than one coat and make this photograph safe. It would be waterproof now. A quick sanding would neaten the edges. It will take off extra paint, paper, everything, and you will have a clean edge. So after using the most important ingredient in any DIY, lots and lots of patience. What I got after hours of waiting for the paint and the glue to dry is my own customized, personalized coasters with my family pictures. Unique. Nobody has coasters as mine. These are unique and so personalized and so very handsome. I just love them. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are inspired to make your own personalized coasters. See you in my next video. Take care.